What's going on there, folks? All right, I was just searching Home Depot for no strange reason. I came upon this, guys. They just lowered this price. Now this used to be two, I think it was 279, right? Then it dropped to 249. Remember the special buy of the day? It went from 279 to 249. It's down to 219, guys. All right, pretty good deal, guys. Now this is the brushless impact driver. And this is not the drill driver, it's the hammer drill. All right, so you kind of got to remember that. So, as we know, the impact will be 100, the drill driver will be 100. So that's 200 right there, but you're getting the hammer drill. You also, I don't know if that's a 4 or a 5 amp hour battery there. All right, it's a 4. So you get a 4 amp hour battery also. So a 4 and a 2. All right, I just lost it. You lost. You gotta be kidding me. Wait, here it is. All right, so $219, and you get the fan, guys. You get that. You get a big bag charger, the fan, $79 on its own. So you're saving $159. I don't know about that, but again, usually the hammer drill and the impact is $229 with two twos. All right, so this one comes with a 4, and it comes with a fan, and you're paying $10 less. All right, so it's a pretty good deal. All right, we know about this deal, right? High torque impact wrench with a 5, 249. I don't know what happened. I got what the heck's going on? There's the boot for the high torque impact. You don't want that for 179. That'll be 99. Nope. We know about that for 179. That's the old Brad nailer. Or you could buy a pro grade vacuum hose. All right, so 149 for that light here. I'm a little off track here because I don't really know what I'm looking at. There's that deal for 219. No, you don't want that. 299. We know about that. 277 for the blower. Wow. Is this the kit with a 9 amp hour battery? All right, this is down to 277, folks. If you can find it. I don't know what's going on. Usually, with the 9 amp hour battery, this runs, I think, around 329. So you're saving like $50. I don't know, this whole thing is like jammed up here. All right. I put a new deal up on Instagram today. All right. Let's see if we can find that. All right, there's 2 in stock. All right, so this is what I posted on Instagram. You guys asked for it. You wanted it. Got a lot of comments. You know, they're going to start incorporating the 12-volt stuff into the PackOut because that really makes the most sense, right? The most compact tools in these compact boxes. So this is that insert box. So I'm thinking there's going to be a foam insert in here, and I guess you're going to have your tools already cut out. Kit comes with 2 2s. All right, so you don't get that 4, but you get 2 2s, brand new. All right, I was going to show this today, but I got held up. Tomorrow we'll take a look at this in store. But yeah, let me just make sure you get 2 2s. They should start adding those compact 3s. I really would love it. Yeah, 2 amp hour batteries. You guys know all the specs on this, guys. You know, 1,300 inch-pounds with the impact. Not a bad set. I don't know. It just disappeared on me again. Something's wrong, but here we go. All right, so $199. You know, not a bad deal. Remember, this was $229. You did get a 4 in a bag, but remember, this box alone, I believe, is $79. All right, so you got to. I wish they would show the inside of the PackOut box. I don't know why they won't do it. But you do have a PackOut box, all right? Now, there's going to be more of these kits over time, but they are available. All right, so a couple good deals for you. I don't want to spend too much time on this because I'm having issues, obviously, with this website. But I just want to let you guys know about this. Again, these should be in your store now. All right, they just came out today in store. A lot of Home Depots are doing Milwaukee days today. So I know this was one of the feature products, but maybe they're all, you know, they only have 2. I don't know how many they had in the beginning, but all right, people, catch you.